Hello, can you hear me?
Properties of addition: multiply using distributive property and factor using the distributive property. On the grade 6 math, the chapter we are on right now is expressions and properties. Let's just start with the lesson, that is identify terms and coefficients. Look at the terms. 3 and 4, they are terms, right? They are written together with this addition sign, right? So 3 and 4v are the terms. So the correct option is 4v, given the options, I think, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Let's see. Look at the following information. Right now, don't have multiplication or sign, right? Only one. Correct option is two terms, right? 2 and 3d, they are two terms. So the correct option is two. Look at the following expression. 5u cube. How many terms are there? Only one term. The correct option is 1. Look at the following expression. Which of the followings are terms in the expression? So which is the correct option? You are given three of the options, right? 3 plus 4v, 4 and 4v. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 4v is the term, right? 3 plus 4v is not the term. 3 and 4v are the terms, right? So the correct option is 4v. Option number 3 is the correct option. Look at the following expression, which is the coefficients. 2 plus 5j square minus 2k, which is the correct option. Okay, yes, the correct option is 2. The coefficient here is 2, right? Option number 3 is the correct option. That is the coefficient. Basically, coefficients are the numbers that are written with the variables. Like 5j square, 5 is the coefficient of j. Then you have negative 2k. So 2 is the coefficient of k. So the correct option is 2. Look at the following expressions. What is the coefficient of b? Which is the correct option? That is negative 1, right? The correct option is option number 1. Very good. Look at the following expression. How many terms are there? Which is the correct option? Only one it is, right? Basically, which one you didn't get? Basically, they are the terms, right? Like you have the example is 3 plus 4v, right? Without the addition sign, 3 and 4v, they both are the terms, right? But with the addition time, that is with the addition sign, that is not the term. They are terms without the addition sign, 3 and 4v, right? Then you have to learn the coefficients and variable. So v is the variable, right? The number 4 that is written with the v is the coefficient. Got it? The correct option is 4 is the coefficient. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is properties of addition. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, you have to. The next lesson is that is multiply using the distributive property. So for now we're going to learn the distributive property, right? So what is distributive property? Distributive property is like this. That is a times b plus c. You have to do a times b, then you have addition sign, and then you have to do a times c, right? Now just look at the example given, that is 8 times 1 plus 4j. You have to multiply 8 with everything that is inside the bracket. You have to do 8 times 1. 8 times 1 is 8. You have to do 8 times 4j. 8 times 4 is 32. So the correct option is 8 plus 32j. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, simplify the expression 3 times 3s plus 1. So which is the correct option? You have to do 3 times 3s. You have to do you have to do 3 times 3, that is 9s. Then you have to do 3 times 1, that is 3. So the correct option is 9s plus 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. Got it? 9s plus 3 is the correct option, right? No one is answering why. The next one is simplify the expression 7b plus 1 times 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 28b plus 4 is the correct option. Okay, simplify the expression 3 times 2 plus 5t. So which is the correct option? That is the second option. 6 plus 15t is the correct option. Got it? The next one is 4 times 2 plus 3n. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1, that is 8 plus 12n is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. U, 49u plus 28, right? So the first thing here is you need to find the common factor that is for the both numbers, 49 and 28, right? Hello?
Okay, so you
The common number, right? That can divide both 49 and 28. That is 7, right? 7 is the number that can divide both. 7 times 7 is 49, 7 times 4 is 28, right? That means we can take common 7 from here. So when you divide 49 by 7, you have to actually divide them by 7. 7 times 7 is 49 and 28 divided by 7 is 7 times 4 is 28, right? So that means that is 7 times 7. You have to write it as a factored form. So you can write them as 7 times 7u plus 4. Got it? You have to look for the common number, right? Common number outside the bracket and divide the things with the number, right? Let's just start with the test questions. 28b plus 32. So which is the correct option? You have to think for a common number that can divide both 28 and 32. So which is the correct option? The number that can divide both 32 and 28 is 4. So take 4 outside, you are left with divide 28 by 7 and 32 by 4. Sorry, not 7. 4 times 7 is 28 and 4 times 8 is 32. So that is 4 times 7b plus 8. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, 9c plus 21. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. That is 3 times 3c plus 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, factor 20u plus 50. So which is the correct option? So the correct option is option number 1. That is 10 times 2u plus 5 is the correct option. The next one is factor 35r plus 63. So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? the correct option, right? 7 is the common number, so that is 7 times 5r plus 9 is the correct option. Okay, factor 18v plus 15, which is the correct option. The correct option is option number 2, that is 3 times 6v plus 5 is the correct option. The next one is factor. 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, so we are done with the lesson. We were working on grade 6 math. Chapter we were working on is expressions and properties. The lessons we have covered today are they are identify terms and coefficients, multiply using the distributive property, and factor using the distributive property. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? Or either you can contact any tutor through the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you during the shift timing, that is between Monday to Friday and 5 to 9, right? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that is daily from 4 to 5. So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.